Doo-doo. Doo-doo. The return of Dogzilla. Please, no!
She bite. Look at her. She's biting you. Not the cameraman.
As he returns.
Oh gosh.
See, look, here's the cameraman. As he returns into the dark.
Oh god.
As he returns.
Come here, puppy. Oh. Daddy said you're messing it up. Shut up, dog.
Shut up.
Oh gosh, all I can see is her eyes.
As he goes away into the. Shut the fuck up.
Oh gosh. Where'd she go?
And her like. Oh my god, she can teleport! Oh, he slipped! Who put that freaking piece of ice there? I think it just broke my ankle! Godzilla is a man. But
Never seen it in my life. Wait, give me a second.
I think I broke my ankle!
Throw out that part, don't smell good. Oh god.
Oh, I slipped out of the eye! Why do I gotta live where there's ice?
Oh gosh.
Ow! It hurts so bad! Oh no, it hurts so good! Oh my god, she got my arm! Oh! Why do you gotta bite so hard? Beats with my fancy skin, you can bite my butt, but not my arm! This is the thing that ain't punching! Bring it! I'll save you!
You're dead and she's still fighting. She loves the leftovers! Ow! She's eating my middle finger. I've never seen a man like this.
Godzilla. Buy it today.